Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hauls, reviews, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Guys, you know कि मुझे नए नए मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करना एंड उनके बारे में बात करना कितना पसंद है. एंड इस वीडियो में भी मैं आपको एक नए मेकअप ब्रांड के बारे में बताऊंगी, दैट इज़ कीरो ब्यूटी. नाउ आई थिंक आपने सुना होगा कीरो ब्यूटी के बारे में बिकॉज इट इज़ देयर इन दी इंडियन मार्केट. अब बहुत टाइम हो गया है इस ब्रांड को. And Kiro Beauty believes in all clean beauty. Any harsh chemicals, they're paraben free, they are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they do promise a really nice skincare benefit in their products. And Kiro Beauty is an amalgamation of science and nature. They do believe in amalgamating both the things, nature and science, ताकि जो उसका outcome हो that is something phenomenal. That is what their belief is. Now their makeup products, they do have some skincare benefits also. They do use natural ingredients. They use ingredients like mango butter. They have avocado oil, vitamin E, apricot oil, and many more skincare benefits are there in their products. And they also believe that if you are using makeup products, you should not compromise on your skincare. And that is the belief that they have curated these many products, and their products are tested by dermats. So all the products are really safe for your skin and eyes. Now guys, I have created this look with Kiro Beauty products. Now I do have a few of their products. I have their Glow On Blush Duo, and I have their multi-purpose eyeshadow stick. This is how it looks like. This is in the shade Sandy Copper. And then I do have their liquid lipstick, which is this one, which has vitamin E. And then I do have their you can say eyeliner or kajal. I do have their Kiro kajal, and this is in the shade earthy brown. So I have these 4 products, and I'm going to use these 4 products in today's makeup video so that you guys can know how to use these products and what are the benefits of these products. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching and stay subscribed. And yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so the very first thing which I'm going to use from the brand is their long wearing eyeshadow stick in the shade 02 Sandy Copper. Now this is made in Germany and the packaging is quite sleek, and this is a copper color. And you all know कि अगर हम festive season में हैं, अगर हम wedding season में हैं, तो कुछ भी copper बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है Indian skin tone पे especially. That's why I chose this one. And this you have the shelf life of these products are of 2 years. तो आप इसको 2 साल तक यूज कर सकते हो. There are many shades in this line, but I chose this one, and this is how it opens. So of course this is a retractable pencil. You can obviously retract the pencil. This is how it is. I'm just going to give you a swatch of the product and just going to tell you how this feels like. So this is how it looks like. This is a very nice buttery formula. This is not at all drying at all. ये बहुत ही सुपर डुपर स्मूथ लग रहा है जब मैंने इसको ऐसे अपने हैंड पे चलाया. तो अब मैं इसको अपने आईज पे लगाती हूँ. तो ये वीगन है, बिल्कुल क्रुएल्टी फ्री है, इसके अंदर कोई भी हार्मफुल केमिकल्स नहीं है. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा है आपके आईज के लिए भी. सो बिफोर यूजिंग दिस मैं बहुत ही ईजीली इसको बस अपने बिल्कुल आईलिड्स पे लगाऊंगी, बहुत ही आसानी से, आई वुड से. Once I have applied it, मैं जो ये आपको हार्श लाइन दिख रही है, I'm going to blend this with a blending brush. कोई सा भी ब्रश लेके आप बस थोड़ा सा इसको ब्लेंड कर लो. Now do you see, जब मैंने इसको ब्लेंड किया तो इसका जो लुक है ये बहुत ही एक इवन आउट सा लुक आ रहा है. एंड या इट इज़ लाइक वन एंड डन आई शेडो, एंड दिस आई शेडो विल बी रियली गुड विद योर इंडियन अटायर्स. आप रेड पहन रहे हो, अगर आप ऑरेंज पहन रहे हो तो भी. ब्रॉन्ज एक ऐसा, कॉपर एक ऐसा कलर है, ब्रॉन्ज या कॉपर एक ऐसा कलर है जो कि किसी के साथ भी चला जाता है. इट इज़ लुकिंग रियली नाइस. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रिपीट द सेम ऑन माई अदर आई एंड विल बी बैक. Alright guys, so this is how my eyes are looking, जो कि बहुत ही subtle है और थोड़ा सा ग्लैम अप भी है. अब इसको मेकिंग दिस लुक अ लिटिल बिट मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड थोड़ा सा स्मोकीनेस देने के लिए I'm going to use this one. This is the Kiro High Define Soothing eyeliner with vitamin E and argan oil, and I have the shade 02 Earth Brown. Now they do have a lot of shade, but I chose brown because in my मतलब मेरे mind में जो theme था, जो एक मैं nude look बनाना चाहती थी for your festive season, क्योंकि reds and pinks तो सब करते हैं, but really wanted a nude look. So this is how the pencil looks like. Of course, it's a retractable pencil, as you can see. Let me just give you a swatch. So now this is very very pigmented, just like the eyeshadow stick. ये भी काफी ज़्यादा pigmented है, as you can see. And yeah, I really actually like this brown, क्योंकि काफी browns ना ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पे आप बहुत ही वो light दिखते हैं, but this is not a light. This is like brown और black का बहुत ही अच्छा सा mixture. So I'm going to apply this on my waterline. And I'm just going to apply a little bit over here. Doing the same thing on my other eye. Guys, so इस eyeliner के ऊपर मैं थोड़ा सा ये eyeshadow stick लगाऊंगी, just so as to give a really nice bronzy effect. Butter, like trust me, this eyeshadow stick is like butter. It looks super good. So this is how my eyes look. Now I will end off this look with a mascara in a minute, but before that I wanted to do something for my cheeks. So you can see that मैंने बहुत ही neutral रखा है अपने eyes को, तो मैं थोड़ा सा cheeks पे I want a little bit of glow. So for that I'm going to use the Kiro Glow On Blush Duo, and this is in the shade 03 Cool Cinnamon plus Grapefruit, fresh grapefruit. And when you open this, now it does have rosehip oil and calendula oil. Now when you open this is how the blush looks like. It does have two shades, obviously it's a duo, and then you have this mirror. So yeah, so let me talk about the shades first. So ये थोड़ा सा बहुत ही peachy सा color है, and this one is a little bit toned down brown color, which definitely can be used as your blush. Of course, this is a blush. You can use this as a contour as well. So I'm just going to give you a swatch of both the shades. So this is how both the shades are. I'm just going to give you a swatch on my hand. So I feel these are really nice color. Of course you can't contour with them, but you can place your blush बिल्कुल contour की तरह. So I generally like using angled brush like this, क्योंकि इससे बहुत ही अच्छे से आप इस तरीके से अपना जो blush है इसको place कर सकते हो. I like to use both the blushes, and I'm just going to swirl the brush over the blush, and then I'm just going to tap off the excess. A little bit of fallout is there, and now I'm just going to place the blush over here. Wow, it is really pigmented. But you know what? मुझे ये ज़्यादा blush क्यों अच्छा लग रहा है? Because my look is very toned down, so that's why if I'm going to use a little bit more blush, it's okay. And I like using my blush over here, क्योंकि मुझे उससे थोड़ा सा chiseled look मिलता है. You can see my cheekbones look a little bit more chiseled. I'm just going to do the same. Okay, so this is the blush. It's very soft formula. It does not feel very chunky. It is very soft and has a perfect amount of pigmentation, I feel. And yeah, I really like the blush. It does give my cheeks a really nice radiant flush of color. Lastly, I have the liquid lipstick. So this is Kiro Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick with avocado oil and apricot oil. And this particular lipstick is in the shade Nude Mocha. Okay, obviously it's a nude shade. Now I do have a little bit of lip balm underneath, so I'm just going to take it off. I'm going to apply this lipstick. Now the packaging of the lipstick is really nice. Like all of it has a really nice similar packaging. So this is how the wand looks like. Now this is not a doe foot applicator, this is a straight applicator. So you can definitely apply lipstick very nicely. It does have a really nice scent to it. I don't know, it feels a little bit different because it does have a really nice faint sort of scent to it that I really love. Alright guys, this is how my makeup looks like, and I feel everything in this collection is super unique, and specifically जो इनका eyeshadow stick है, I loved it. Even the lipstick is really good. Now this particular look is really nice for a day event, या फिर अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप करना नहीं पसंद, I think this is perfect if you want to go to an evening party as well. But for day also, this is a really nice look. You can just tone down the blush a little bit and yeah, you are good to go. Okay. Now everything else will be listed in the description box, तो मेरा description box आप ज़रूर check कर लेना. And yeah, let me know how you guys liked it. I loved it and I loved the products, and it is not because they have sent me, it's because my genuine opinion, I really love the products. So you can definitely check out for yourself. Everything is in the description box. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care and I love you guys a lot. Bye.